Ever wondered how to successfully launch an NFT collection? A mystery no more, as today we delve deep into the world of non-fungible tokens, or as they're better known, NFTs. So what exactly is an NFT? Picture a digital asset unique and impossible to replicate, living on the blockchain. This could be anything from digital art, music, games, to virtual real estate and more. Now, the question arises, how does one create and launch a successful NFT collection? The journey may seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's an adventure worth embarking upon. First things first, the idea. This is where your journey begins. The idea behind your NFT collection should be unique and captivating, something that would intrigue potential buyers. It could be a series of digital art pieces, a collection of music tracks, or even virtual items for games. Whatever it is, the key here is originality and creativity. Next, you'll need to create the actual NFTs. This step involves turning your idea into a digital reality. Depending on your skills, you might do this yourself or hire a professional. Remember, each piece in your collection should be unique, carrying its own distinct value. Once your NFTs are ready, it's time to mint them. Minting is the process of creating an NFT on the blockchain. It's like turning your digital asset into a fine piece of jewelry. Several platforms can help with this, such as Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Flow, to name a few. With your NFTs minted, you're almost there. Now comes the marketing. This is where you'll need to promote your NFT collection. Use social media, engage with potential buyers, and create a buzz. The final step is listing your NFTs for sale. Choose a marketplace that suits your needs. Some popular ones include OpenSea, Rarible, and NBA Top Shot. And there you have it, your very own NFT collection, ready for the world to see and appreciate. To summarize, launching an NFT collection involves 5 key steps. First, you need a unique idea. Next, create the digital assets based on your idea. Then, mint these assets to create your NFTs. Follow this up with a solid marketing strategy. And finally, list your NFTs for sale on a suitable platform. Remember, the world of NFTs is exciting and vast, filled with endless possibilities. So, dive in, explore, and who knows, your NFT collection might just be the next big thing. That's all for today, folks. Stay curious, stay cryptic. Until next time.